Let's go
to Yorkshire Television, where we have some more cooking with
Fozz.
As the snow flies on a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mama cries. 'Cause if there's one thing she don't need, is another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. People, don't you understand? Your child needs a helping hand, and he'll grow to be an angry young man someday. Now take a look at you and me. Are we too blind to see? Do we simply turn our where the world turns? A hungry little boy with a runny nose plays in the street as the cold wind blows in the ghetto.
I've sat Daniel.
Arsehole.
He's a deviant.
Grow up.
He's a liar.
Proper wanker.
He's unprofessional.
Oh, fuck you.
And he's expensive. I couldn't afford him anymore.
Fair play.
So I've told him to hop it.
You prick.
The show will go on,
Like fuck it will.
but he won't be in it anymore. But it'll be just as good as it ever was.
You big fucking
Be
crybaby.
better, actually. Be loads better. It's not going to be a problem, though. Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be me on my own. I've been in touch with the voiceover agency, and we've got someone called Karen.
Hey, hello there everybody. Wow, that's a big one.
So cooking with Fozz.
I love a few cheeky pre-vermouths. Daniel, it's time to leave.
Right, I'll be leaving then, Fozz, you massive wanker.
Today I'm gonna make some.
Wait a minute, Fozz. I'll deal with him.
Piss off, Sheila, you.
Piss off, Daniel.
Bloody
Yeah, limey
criminal.
pom.
Fuck off, both of you. I'm done.
Hi, sorry about that interference. I'm Karen. I'm from Australia and I'm the new narrator of Cooking with Fozz.
Today I'm gonna make some paste. I think tonight I'm gonna eat some sushi.
My favourite.
But I want to make some paste for another day. I've never made paste before. You should probably use like a pestle and mortar or something like that to do that, but I'm not a scientist, so I don't have one of them. So I'm just going to use a rolling pin.
I imagine this gig is going to be really dull.
I think I've got some of that. A spice mill. Soak chilies in warm water. Warm water. Preheat oven to 350. Are you having a laugh? Is that Fahrenheit? That's max. That's bullshit. 200 will do. Cardamom pods. It says just use 6 of these. Seems pointless, doesn't it? 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to use 8. Rock and roll. These are my chilies.
You are a much more adventurous chef than Ainsley Harriott was when I worked with him on Ainsley's Barbecue Bible.
Ah! Only kidding.
He didn't do weird, stupid things like that though.
Time for a sniff down. What we got? Oat milk and bit of vodka and bit of Kahlua. I'm low on this.
Because you can't, you won't, and you don't stop. Because you can't, you won't, and you don't stop. Because you can't, you won't, and you don't stop. Because you can't, you won't, and you don't stop. Fozz, come and rock the sure shot. Clumsy bastard.
Jesus. I need a swab for that.
Where's the black Russian, you racist? Ha ha.
It's nice. Shallots. Alright, I preheated the oven, so let's get this gear in it. That is bread, but it's not ordinary bread because that's garlic. It's like garlic butter. It's garlic bread. I'm totally out of my comfort zone here. I have no idea what I'm doing with this paste. I understand the garlic bread so far, and that's it. And the white Russian. But other than that, I have no idea what's going on in my kitchen right now. I'm crying. From peeling stuff. One thing that's for sure though is I've forgotten my lemongrass. That was supposed to be in that thing. So.
Alright, so that's my lemongrass done, so I can mix that with the stuff.
Cinnamon, coriander and cumin. The small dry skillet. What's a skillet? Galangal. Galangal? I haven't got any of that.
That's a bit unhygienic, Fozz.
There's a few things I don't have, so I'm just making it up. There's no mention of garam masala, but I think it'll be alright. It says heat this for 2 minutes to sort of make it fragrant. I've just chucked stuff in here with like flagrant and fragrant disregard for like measurements and stuff like that. Boring. And I've got to get these pods and split them. Get the contents out. It's well annoying. I'll just be buying paste in future, I can tell you that much. I have no idea what I'm doing at this point. Just trying to crush all this weird stuff that's in here. I'm totally winging this, by the way. You probably can't tell that. This is never happening again. I forgot all about my garlic bread and burnt it. Great. Straight up the devil's powder, this gear. Half a teaspoon of that. Guess it. Yeah, it's probably about right, isn't it? 1/4 cup of these bad boys. I've no idea what that means. Need a blender. Well, those are annoying things with making this paste I don't normally do. I'm going to try and use this hand blender. I've got some sort of paste blender thing somewhere, but I can't find it. So this is my chili mixture here, and this is my spices, nuts, schniz. Yeah, I just need to mix them up now. Yeah. Doesn't it? Really delicious. Loads of this brown stuff just like squirting out of that hole.
It looks like 2 girls, 1 cup, Bruce.
That's the final product. I'm not going to lie to you, that was like a couple of hours of my life I'm not going to get back. Just buy it from the shop, it's probably cheaper and a lot less hassle, probably nicer. Clothes are washing up now, and for what? For just a poxy bit of paste in a jar for another day. I'll just have a little taste of that, shall I? Tastes like paste.
No bang for your buck though, innit?
These clothes are after their best before date. I knew they would be. Need to eat tonight as well. This should be easier. It's just sushi. That's it. That's all I'm having tonight. All that hard work. That's all I'm having.
I'm fuzzing and proud. I'm fuzzing and proud. I'm fuzzing and proud.
What the fuck is going on?
I'm fuzzing and proud. I'm fuzzing and proud.
Hey Fozz, did you know Irinsboro is an anagram of neighbours?
Alright, it's day 2 of the paste experience. It's looking absolutely delicious. It reminds me of something that. What does that look like? So I've got some tofu cooking on gas, and I'm gonna add some veg and stuff in. Yeah, it's the evening, so it's time to start drinking. Has anyone got any ideas what I could drink? So, martini. What about a nice glass of sherry? That'd be good, wouldn't it? I'll have a little snifter of sherry before I start. Cheeky little sherry here, like what your great aunt has at Christmas, you know? Oh.
I drank 2 full bottles of that stuff in the Bungle Bungles when I was 15, never again. Fozz, have you ever been to the Bungle Bungles?
Bisa sudah setengah, saya sudah siap